Here's how to install the YouTube app on your Mac. Now, if you have an iMac or a MacBook and you want to have the YouTube app to go directly to it, I'll show you how to do it. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, the first thing we'll do is open up Google Chrome on your Mac. If you don't already have it, just download and install Google Chrome because you can use this to create that YouTube app. Keep in mind, you can't go to the App Store and just download the YouTube app, but Google Chrome can create one. Now, all we're going to do is go to youtube.com here. Now, once we're in youtube.com and you're signed into your account, all you need to do is tap on the three dots at the very top right. And then we're going to go down to Cast, Save, and Share. And now you can see Install YouTube. This will allow you to install it as an app. So I can tap on Install YouTube and install. Now you can see here, it put it in the Applications folder, Chrome Apps, and YouTube. And you can see at the very bottom right is now the YouTube app here. All I need to do from here is double click it or right click, go to options and hit keep and dock. Now, whenever I want to, I can close out of this and just tap on it to open it up again, and it will immediately open up YouTube as an app on my Mac. Hope this helps. If it did, hit the like button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.